Tired of font chaos? Use Mac's built-in font book to manage fonts like a pro. Open Spotlight with Command Space, type Font Book, and press Return to launch it. Add fonts by dragging files into Font Book or using File Add Fonts. Activate or disable fonts with the checkbox or right-click to enable or remove them. Create collections with Command N, name them, then drag fonts into groups for projects. See the difference: messy system font list versus tidy project collections and filtered search. Keyboard shortcuts save time. Command F to search, Command O to add, Command N for collections. Font files live in /library fonts, /library fonts, and /system library fonts for system use. Use validate fonts and resolve duplicates to spot issues and remove extra copies. Enable a font and watch it appear instantly in your app's font menus, no restart needed. Quick backup tip: copy your collection font files to an external folder for safe versioning. That's Font Book, built in, fast, and organized. Try it now and tame your fonts.